So we're in the room, and one of the room tools that you can use as a learner is called the Miro board. It's under the board button right here. Now the Miro board will show you the well, right now this is a description of the different controls that you can find here on the iSpeakWell project, okay? But other admin users may provide you with a URL that you can plug in here, and then you can either log in or sign up. It may not require you to log in or sign up. If you are an admin user and you use Miro with your own account, you can add in the Miro board URL. You can share that down here in the chat, and then users can plug it in and see what it is that you're talking from here. So that's a useful tool that you can use in your chats.